Right, today we're going to make a breakaway knot for a neck lanyard. So I'll make a bight like that, get the bottom half of the cord, wrap it over the top of the first cord and wrap it around my thumb like that. Do it again. Then I'm going to get the end, take my thumb out, the end is going to go back through the knot like that. And what you end up with is two loops. Can you see the two loops? Like that. Now then what I'm going to do is get the other end of the neck lanyard, make another bight by flipping it over my finger, and poke that red cord through those two loops, and then just pull on the grey cord. Pull the red cord a little bit just to cut that loop, and then pull really hard on that grey cord. There you go. Now you can cut these loose ends off, but what happens is, if you're wearing a neck lanyard and you get caught on something and you begin to get strangled, you won't, because this, if you pull hard, it will break away like that. And it is exactly the same principle, exactly the same thing as a neck lanyard. Look, the breakaway clip on a neck lanyard, pull really tight and it comes away. So there you go, that is a breakaway knot for a neck lanyard. See you next time. Bye.